Oh no, look at this. The coin is literally upside down in this holder. And this is an old PCGS green holder, an old Rattler is what they call it because it rattles. How do you fix this? I mean, what do you do? Okay, well, I'm going to show you what you do. But first, here's my website, portsmouthcoinshop.com. If you're interested in buying any coins that you see in my videos, go to portsmouthcoinshop.com. You take the holder in your hand and you click it. I mean, you're kind of, what you're doing is circular motion, but you're actually snapping so that you can move this coin around. You can literally rotate the coin in a complete circle multiple times. I don't know how long it would take, but as you can see, this is what I'm doing, and you just kind of clicking it. You're a snap of the wrist, snap of the wrist, snap of the wrist, and you keep doing it, and eventually it will roll around, and it will be orientated, correctly, up and down. And we're moving here. You can see the progress. Remember, this coin was upside down. We're getting there, and you can do it either direction. Oh, here we are. Here we go. Here's my nice little Rattler right side up coin. So that's what you do if you have an old PCGS Rattler holder and your coin is crooked. Thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.